never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
Gusto ko po makita yung mga naging improvements ko sa mga training.
Super gandang experience po sa aming mga kabataan para po maging proud yung parents ko.
Napakagandang project itong ginawa ng Barry. Sa basketball kasi, para sa akin, dapat mag-umpisa talaga sa grassroots level. Kasi dito nag-umpisa yung mga star player. Maganda itong project ito.
This Live Your Dream basketball project by Pocari Sweat is actually a game changer when it comes to the basketball tryouts. Their slogan itself, Live Your Dream, is not just a slogan but a call to action. Start with the sweat, discipline, and believe in your dreams para makamit natin yung magiging atleta natin. Provided yung ating Pocari Sweat drink, provided food, the jersey, and everything. Walang excuse magiging atleta.
Thankful ako sa event ng Pocari Sweat kasi binigyan ako ng opportunity na ma-support yung anak ko sa sport na mahal niya, and at the same time, marami siyang matututunan dito with the help of the professional coaches.
This is a wonderful opportunity for all kids 15 years old and younger. Nagpakita ang maraming Caviteño today. They have so much to share. And there are so many diamonds in the rough waiting to be discovered. And Pocari Sweat is here to help them live their dreams.
Sumali po ako dito sa Pocari tryout to gain experience and to showcase my talent.
Gusto ko pong alam kung gaano pa kalaki ang aking lalakas.
Sobra po ako natuwa kasi makaka-proceed po ako sa next round.
Mag-ensayo pa po ako araw-araw para po mas maging advance pa po yung skills ko. Thank you so much po Pocari Sweat na binigyan niyo po kami ng chance na makapaglaro po sa Japan.
Pocari Sweat.